So Penrith Solar Centre was born back in 2015 it was. I was doing subcontractor installs for a company out in the Hawkesbury. And the owner was very dollar focused. It was all about get me my money fast. You know, there was no care about the products, or there was no care about how neat the job was installed, or it was a really poor experience. And at the time I thought I was just going to be happy being a subby and you know, installing solar. I really enjoyed it. But it turns out I realized there was this massive hole for a company to do everything start to finish, you know, deliver the installation and the sale and the after sale service is so important. And I set out, it was born early 2017, and I set out to sell and install and give the whole experience start to finish. And we've never looked back. We're now up to 5 installs a day, all of our own teams, so we don't use any subcontractors, and we're having a massive impact in the lives of people in Western Sydney, and you know, particularly Penrith, the Blue Mountains, Hawkesbury and Wollondilly area. So that was how it started. It started with 2 of us. My first ever team member, Jory, who's now our installations manager. We put him through his apprenticeship, and then it built till now where there's almost 30 of us. So it's been a good journey. It's been a very pleasant journey. I think it's really important to enjoy the process of building a business. You know, it's not just a matter of turning it on and getting to the finish line. I truly don't even believe there is a finish line. I believe it's just a continual journey where you have to pivot and you've got to adapt. And you know, if you don't keep pivoting, innovating and adapting, I think those new young companies that pop up and learn from your mistakes, and you as an example, I think they'll eat you up so fast. So important to pivot and keep on top of it. And yeah, there's truly no finish line. It's just a continual journey that you've got to love or don't do it. Like, love it,